All right. Good evening, everyone. This is Kingsley, and this is going to be my first YouTube tutorial video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to bootstrap a Spring Boot configuration server using certain dependencies. All right. This tutorial assumes you have a prior knowledge of Spring Boot and how to use its CLI. So we're just going to go ahead and bootstrap the Spring Boot app. So I don't think it's possible to load any of Spring Cloud dependencies using the CLI. So we're just going to go ahead and provide other details using the custom flags. We're going to indicate the build as Maven. So this is going to create a pom.xml file and the root of the project. And uh, we're going to indicate the packaging to jar. Okay. So we're going to indicate the build, the Spring Boot version rather, to 2.0.5 release. Okay. So wait for it to load the dependencies of the package. All right. So we're going to extract the folder from the created zip. All right, done. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and open the folder in VS Code. Okay, so we open our pom.xml file. We're going to create another property, Spring Cloud version. So the Spring Cloud version we're going to be using, it's the Finchley.sr1 release. Okay, right. So fortunately, Maven provides a top-level dependency management mechanism. So we're just going to go ahead and set up a top-level dependency management for the Spring Cloud dependencies. Right. So we're gonna let the group the Spring framework, the cloud group. Right. Yeah. So the artifact is the Spring Cloud Dependencies artifact. All right. The version, it's the property for the version is already created. So we're just gonna add. Gonna go ahead and indicate it at Spring Cloud version. Okay. So we're gonna also indicate the type to POM, scope, import. So any Spring Cloud dependency that's gonna be loaded would be the Finchley.sr1 version. Okay, so we're gonna load the primal dependency, which is the Spring Cloud config server dependency. Okay. Right, we're gonna go ahead and erase this since the version has already been indicated in the properties. So save. Okay. Oh, pardon me. Yeah. Know what's wrong. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. All right. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this folder since we're not gonna be running any unit tests. Okay. So we rename this to bootstrap.yml. Nope, not that. Uh, okay. So we're gonna set up a custom port. Uh, let's say 8189. Okay. So we're gonna set something else. By default, the config Spring Boot configuration server loads the configuration for each service from a Git repository, but we're gonna use the native this time. Uh, right. So we also gonna set the active profiles to uh, native. Uh, okay. So this is gonna run on the native profile. So the search.locations property tells the app to load the configurations for each connected service from the config folder. So we're going to go ahead and create a folder. All right. So any application that tries to retrieve configuration informations from the config server is going to load its own configuration from the config folder. So just save this. Then we go to our base class and we're going to annotate this class with the enable config server annotation. So a good you have to gonna be using a good IDE for this. Automatically, I have a plugin activated, so it automatically loads the library I'm gonna use. So we've annotated this class with the config server annotation. Save this. So we're just gonna go ahead and build. Run mvn clean package.